dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey everyone, my name is Preston Cox. I am one of the ministers here at the Georgetown Church of Christ, and I am with our children and family minister, Brian. Brian, how are you doing, man?
I'm doing really good. I'm just excited about this time of year. I mean, obviously we have Christmas right around the corner.
Yeah.
Ton of stuff going on at the church, and obviously that's why we're shooting this video.
Exactly. There's lots of great things that are happening. And Brian, I've heard about this thing that you guys are doing. Is it a jingle something?
Yes, absolutely. It's called Jingle Jam.
Like a jelly jam.
No,
Not making jelly.
No, we should have gotten somebody more hip to do this. Okay. Jingle Jam. We are going to have a party, basically. And this Christmas party is big enough for all ages, no matter what your family dynamic looks like. And we're going to have games and comedy and great music, and you're just going to have a blast. It's this Saturday from 5 to 6 p.m. right here in the worship center.
That's very cool, man. Well, you know, there's another thing that we do every year here at the church. And since you're new, I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's a Christmas Eve celebration. And, you know, it's on Christmas Eve.
That makes sense.
And so it's a great time for us to get together. We're going to sing Christmas songs. There's going to be some video and a short message from Tim, our preaching minister. It's really going to be a great time, and not to mention there's cookies for that. And so that starts at 5 p.m. on Christmas Eve. And so come over to the church and eat some cookies with us. It'll be fun.
Yeah, it sounds like a great deal.
Well, we hope to see you there. There's lots of great things. You can check out some of the links that we have below in the video, and we'd love to see you at these events. Okay, bye guys. Thanks. Merry Christmas.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.